Inside the Mustang, I got this center console lid on Amazon. Pretty cheap, about $40. It looks really good. This feels nice and stiff. This feels good. Feels brand new. It has a little nick right here on the inside of it, so I'm not too worried about it. This feels stiff. Let's see if it fits on correctly. It looks exactly the same, just mine is torn up. So let's replace it. 7/32 millimeter. Let's unscrew these 4 bolts. Comes right off. These tabs here that hold it, so you gotta pop it into those tabs. Let's put our bolts back on. It fits good, closes, but it doesn't latch. It goes into the hole, but it just won't latch on. Well, I mean, that's the install. Like, comment, subscribe for more DIYs.